Today I'm picking up a 49-inch ultra-wide monitor. What could I possibly do that would justify having a 49-inch monitor? I'm really struggling to justify it to myself, but it's such an exciting bit of tech. It's also a 5K display. As with a lot of my purchases recently, it's all about being more productive and getting things done. That's the rationale behind it. Whether that happens or not is going to depend on if it fits on my desk, because at the moment, let me show you my desk. My desk isn't very big. Like, it's got a 27-inch monitor on one side, and then it's got my 16-inch MacBook Pro on the other side. But as you can see, I've got loads of stuff on my desk. I've got my light and my microphone. Anyway, let's go and get this monitor. I'm very excited. The guy's expecting me in like 20 minutes now, so. I've got no idea how I'm gonna carry this upstairs. It's absolutely massive. I've got no idea how to hold it. I don't even know how much it weighs. How much does it weigh? Does it say? That's the desk setup taken down, so I can get on with the fun part, which is unboxing this monitor. Let's up, skip. How the hell do you lift this up, man? This is absolutely huge. It is massive. It's like a spaceship or something, man. Oh my God, I had it on the wrong setting this whole time. I've just changed it. Oh, I've got to turn this around to show you. So I had to change the setting to 5120 by 1440. And once it's scaled properly, you can see like how small these folders are now. They were huge before. You can fit so much more in the space. This is so different to anything I've ever used before. It's actually not as big as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna spill over the edges, but it hasn't. So this might be one that I actually keep. Probably a little bit thinner, like a letterbox shape than I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be a little bit higher than that, but not really gonna complain. Like, there's lots of horizontal space, so I don't necessarily need the vertical, but we'll see, isn't it? I'm gonna stick with it for a couple of weeks, see how I get on with it. If I don't like it, I'll probably move it on, but I have a feeling that this one's here to stay.